This is Chandrapur Road. While coming from Guwahati, straightly can move to that place. A very beautiful place for picnic and for sightseeing. Children are playing there. I'll take you straightly there. Now I'm on the way to Chandrapur. While coming from Guwahati, can straightly move to that place and get down here and spend a few hours, few minutes. Now I'm going to that place. Very beautiful, very nice on the bank of river Brahmaputra. Very nice. Nice to see the boys playing cricket here. Very beautiful place here in Hajongburi. Yes. ক'ৰ পৰা আছে ইয়াতে ন মই সদায় আহ যাওঁ কৰোঁ ভাল লাগে বিউটিফুল একদম মই ইউটিউবত দি দিম মই যাই থাকোঁ কিন্তু নানামো নহয় গাড়ীৰ পৰা আজি ইমান সুন্দৰ লাগে ৰিভাৰ চাইডটো মই লৈ আছোঁ অঁ থেংক ইউ বল নাযাব দেখোন তোমাৰ তাত বলে নাযাব দেখোন very nice due to in season rainfall the place become very watery, but it is very beautiful place when it is time for the picnic season. Yes, this hill is Amsang Wildlife Sanctuary, under the Amsang Wildlife Sanctuary. See the boys are playing. This is straightly on the bank of river Brahmaputra in Hajongburi. Yes, very nice to see them playing cricket. Oh, very nice. Oh, nice to see. Oh, I'm taking it now. I'm going to the bank of river Brahmaputra. Very nice. Very nice to see. People are enjoying this place. Very nice. Yes, very nice. So friends, I request all of you, if you are free, please come. This is near Panikati. From Nairangi you can straightly come by public vehicle or by your private vehicle. Very nice place. I'm on the bank of river Brahmaputra. Yes, very nice. Very nice, mesmerizing view of river Brahmaputra. Yes, on the bank of river Brahmaputra. Yeah, very nice. Okay, so very nice place. Please leave your comment. I hope all of you have enjoyed my video uploaded today. This is on the bank of river Brahmaputra in Hajongburi near Panikati. Very nice. So nice. Very greenery around. See, the boys are playing cricket, and this is under Amsang Wildlife Sanctuary. This hill, entire hill is very beautiful. And this place is while on the way to Chandrapur, Mayang, Povitra. So hope all of you have enjoyed my channel. This is my video. I hope all of you do. I hope all of you have enjoyed. And I request all of you to subscribe, like and share my video. Bye bye. Bye bye.